We are SF Motors. We believe our EV technology promises a better, safer, more thrilling future. Guided by our commitment to accelerating the growth of the EV industry, we developed our own battery systems to rival industry leaders in safety, charging speed, and energy density. And we offer a range of motor configurations for more flexible vehicle platforms. Our electronic differentials are all-wheel drive technology, deliver ultra-responsive torque vectoring for enhanced performance and stability. Our advanced algorithms optimize motor control, while our machine learning technology makes our intelligent driving one of the most advanced. Every vehicle in our portfolio features our comprehensive sensor suite that dynamically anticipates and responds to any situation. A protective autonomy technology that actively keeps people and roads safer while maintaining data security. And a human-machine interface that adapts to your driving style and evolves to anticipate your needs. All built on a high-performance chassis that combines innovative hardware and software suites. We are creating a family of more intelligent EVs through innovative technologies that fulfill our promise to you and to the world. We are SF Motors.